What's up, guys? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down something with SPY, Tesla, and the overall markets. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out my Moomoo link. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed 5 free stocks. Deposit $1,000, and you're guaranteed 15. The offer's in just 7 days. Anyways, as far as the market is looking so far, the manufacturing numbers were so when they came out. Not really affecting the market too much, though, because the market's continuing to attempt to squeeze, and we're doing a great job at holding up so far. Starting off with the big one, Tesla, we're doing a good job. We managed to break above our resistance at the 20 EMA at this 437 area. I did say that if that broke, we're looking for our targets of 440, 445, then 450. Tesla broke past all of them, and now we're looking for this imbalance to fill, taking us up to about 456 as our next potential target. So I want to see if 450 holds. As long as that holds, we should be heading for at least 456 and 460. If we lose 450, though, there's going to be a risk of us retesting about 446. Overall, we're doing fine, and Tesla's still holding it very well, and this could continue to uptrend, and we could be looking for an attempt to get back up to all-time highs, at least later on. Now, whether or not that happens may also depend on deliveries, but for now, I just want to say Tesla looks more bullish. We're looking for a target of about 456 as long as they're above 450. I think we're doing a great job so far. For SPY, we look more bullish. As you guys could see, this is breaking out. We did call out 598 if we held above 595, and instead of that broke, we're easily going up to 600. I think SPY will continue to push into the 600s. However, for the shorter term, there is tough resistance over here in the 599 area, so we're seeing volume that's very slow. We need more volume to pump faster, so we're just on a very slow grind up. But if anything, we should be looking for an attempt to get back up to 600. And once that breaks, we'll be looking for the supports becoming resistance around 603. Then we have 605 above that. So overall, we're more bullish. SPY has a lot more upside potential. Exactly as predicted, we saw ES break past 6050. With that break, we're looking for 6080. So our resistance of that breaks, we're looking for 6100. These are all potential bullish targets. As long as we're above 6050, I do favor upside a lot more for ES. We're looking for 6100 as a nice potential target. For Nvidia, we saw a shuffle around 140, and then we pushed up to 142. So 140 to 142 is our range. We could continue to push higher as long as that holds, and I think we're doing a fantastic job thus far. 142 is my target. Looking at Bitcoin, we're holding with our 50 EMA at 98,000. We could be going towards 100,000 by the end of the week, if not by next week, as we look more bullish. For NQ, we look more bullish as well. We hit my 22,000 target. We're almost there, and I think we're going to be trying to surpass that. As long as we don't lose 21,800 at this point, we're looking for 22,000 as our resistance. If we break that, we're going to be going even higher for essentially 22,100. Overall, NQ looks bullish, and I think we're doing a fantastic job. The QQQ, excuse me, the QQQ is also very bullish. We're holding above our key support very well. Breaking past 523, we're looking for a push right here, and we could be looking for 530 as our next potential target. As long as we're above 527, I do favor upside. As long as 523 doesn't break, we're also more bullish. So look and see if this continues for 530. If that breaks, we're looking for essentially a test of 533. So overall, the QQQ remains a lot more bullish. It's doing a great job so far. Apple's breaking all-time highs exactly as predicted from yesterday. We're hitting 258. If we break that, we're looking for 260 as our next target. I think we're doing a good job so far. The IWM Russell 2000 is also looking more bullish. We're trying to rebound off an inverse head and shoulders. We could be on our way up to 225 as long as we're above 220. 225 looks like a more plausible target. For Coinbase, we look more bullish. We're going to be looking for the support at 273. As long as we're above that, we're looking for 282.5 is our target. If that breaks, we're looking for a bigger push closer to 290. So I think we look a lot more bullish right here. For Amazon, we look more bullish as long as we don't end up losing the support over here around this 227 area. I am favoring that's going to get closer to 230. It's doing a good job so far. Meta came up to the 606 targets predicted yesterday. We have to see if we can break that. It's a tough resistance near our 50 EMA. If we do break that, we're looking for 612, but look for somewhat of a fight around 606. It is a tough resistance. Microsoft looks more bullish. We're going to be testing 440, 439 to 440 soon. Could push a little bit more. I think we're holding support well, so we'll have to see if we can try to break that resistance. At the very least, I do expect us to test that. As far as Google goes, we're trying to push higher. We hit this imbalance. I was hoping we'd see 190. It became a little bit short, and now it's just shuffling at this resistance. We need to break 198 to hit 200, but just note the closer we get to 200, the tougher resistance is going to be. That being said, I think we're doing a good job. The VIX is continuing to fall right now as the market pushes. We still have this imbalance to fill, so there's more downside potential on the VIX. And as far as SPY goes, okay, we still look more bullish. Why do I say that? Because first off, we're holding above 599 quite well. We're looking for 600 as our target, and we have these imbalances to fill. We have like 603 and then 60, almost 606 is our potential targets. So this market looks more bullish. Tesla's also holding up very well. We have some more upside potential to fill this imbalance. I think we're doing a great job, and we could be pushing higher for 456. I think that Tesla's doing well. I want to see if we could close above 450 at the very least. And if we do have a lot more potential going into the next couple of days. So overall, great job by Tesla and the overall team. Thank you all so much for listening. I'll be back in a couple of hours for another update. Until then, have a good rest of the day. And don't forget the stock market closes early. It closes in about 1.5 hours from now at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So just remember that, guys. With that being said, thank you for listening and peace out.